Sorry. The song is stuck in my head. What's going on? Sorry, I'm a little bit late. OBS decided it didn't like my camera anymore for some weird and wonderful reason. Such like restart my PC and you know how it always goes. It's never just quick and easy. Oops. Get that one going. That one start. That one start. Okay. It's a baby. It's a baby. Hey Laura, how are you? How was gold this morning? Whoop whoops. We happy? Weird. Okay. That is amazing, Laura. I'm so glad. I'll go see later what's happening there. Okie dokie. We now good to go. So what happened? Loss. Oh, that would have been a really good win. Damn it. Okay. Okay, let's mark out. Let me make a note here. Would have been a win. Cool. Cool. Looks like now we're just going up, up and away again. So is New York going to be continuation of this trend? Or... yeah, honestly, Laura, it's a little bit hectic. Exciting, I guess, but still hectic. Went took out all of those, but it has not quite yet taken out those there. Okay. And I'm in time. I'm in time, guys. Okay, here's the London. Thank you. London high, awesome sauce. And right here was London low. There we go. Okay, marked out, marked out, marked out. Akash, hi! Are you serious? That is ridiculous. Diamante just kept going up and up from this morning. Yeah, it went up. Went a little bit down, but it went up in the end. Hey, Fishcat Zombie, how are you? How have you been? What? Oh, I see. Sorry, Diamante was asking Akash. So it went down to 300 pips in one candle. That's a little bit hectic. Oh, Akash, I'm so sorry. I am... oh. Damn. Damn. That's absolutely insane, though. What the heck? MD, what up? How are you? Bitch, that's fine though. Well done. Well done on the winning streak. And you know what? Losses. They happen. It is what it is, right? The only way that the market moves. Sometimes you gotta take some losses for the market, right? Bitch, I'm good. I'm good. This morning was a goodie. I need to start upping my contracts though. but it was a goodie, so I can't complain. Oh gosh, I guess that's true. I guess that is true. MD, hi. MD Hosen. How are you? Okay, good. Good. Is anyone getting in any trades before the open, or are we all just kind of waiting? Is that where we're at? Yeah, Fishcat, I'm on it. I'm on it. Let's do this. Let's do this. Because I had 2 trades this morning. Both of them took partials and then hit or took me out at break even. If I'd done the proper risk of $200, I then theoretically would be up $400. Yeah, I need to start upping my cons. Need to just start, just do it, right? Just do it. Whilst I'm not gonna go anywhere anytime quickly. Okie dokie. Oof, this would have been a freaking awesome one. I mean, either of these would have worked. Let's see. So here. Oh, no. That would have sucked. That would have sucked. If we went this range. This would have been a goodie. And there was VWAP. Oh, that one. Oof, big ouch. But this one would have been a really good win. Same for the next one down, I think. Let's have a quick look. So I went there to there. Yeah. That would have been good. Check. Yeah, well, I say that. Let's see if it continues going down or what it is doing right now. Yeah, Fishcat, I think that's it. Just stop being a baby about it, right? Hey, Dark Angel, how are you? Happy Tuesday. Did you manage to get any trades in today? Or were you also down? No, you on TradingView, huh? Yeah. Good morning, Bob. How are you? How are you? Hey, Dark Angel, you know what? I cannot complain. Boom, I had another partial break even. If I didn't go break even, it would have been a win. Yeah, I'm gonna count those as 2 of 10. I'm gonna continue with partials and break evens, and then I will maybe do another 10 where I do partials but don't go break even. And let's see how we do. Maria, you're currently in English class. Nice. Where are you from, Maria? The goat Bob has entered the chat. Yeah, we all need to behave now. I'm joking. Thanks, Dark Angel. Yeah. Oh, no, that's true. Sorry. Sorry. I know, you always tell me that. I'm sorry. And yesterday was a bit wild with AWS being all over the place. Terios, are you from Turkey? That is so cool. Oh, okay, cool. So there we go. So there was nothing clean and it was Monday. And yesterday was just absolute chaos in general. So let's see. What do we think is going to happen today? Do we think anything is going to happen today? Ooh, I wonder if it's going to go for Asia highs. Maybe it could potentially be going for Asia highs. Maybe it's going to take out this relative equal low, potentially even London low, and then pop up to Asia highs. I wonder. I do indeed wonder. But we have 2 minutes to go. Watching to see if that 253 holds. Ooh, yeah, okay. Diamante, all you know and hope is that NQ goes up. Are you in a long, Diamante? What's going up? Sean? Hi, how are you? Oh, only true trader. I'm kind of jealous. I'm feeling for a nap right now. Nap would be good. Now that you mentioned nap, I'm like, ooh. Hawk Productions. Hi. Is that Ryan Abs? Hi. How are you? I'm good, thanks. I'm good, thanks. And yeah. Here we go. Here we go. 1 minute to go before open. Let's see. Let's see. Apple butter. Hi. How are you? Oh yeah, power nap. Just right here on the stream. I'm sure that'll be terrible. Sean, you mean on New York session or just the stream? Like we just have fun on the stream or both? Because yes. Damn, Jazzy Jeff. Also, hi, Jazzy Jeff. How you doing? Apple butter. I hear that. I hear that. Yeah, Prashan, both. I love it. I love it. Okay, before I start saying like, absolutely. Recently, I've been preferring London. Yeah, recently I've been preferring London. I don't know why. But let's see. Maybe New York today can redeem itself. Or I can redeem myself with New York, you know. Vice versa. Jazzy Jeff, it's what got you funded. Oh, amazing. Whoop whoop. That is awesome. Okay, then Jazzy Jeff, what do you think's gonna be Teros? What's the matter? Nothing? Do you think something's wrong? No, I'm good, I'm good. Okay. Open. I kind of expected a bigger candle. Not even 20 points. Okay, well, that's fine. Okay, Bob, let's see if this zone holds or not. Ooh. I mean, it's respecting it, damn. Then we drop low. Oh, interesting night. Okay, let's see night. Ooh. Nope. No. Yes. Ooh, I lied. Okay. The first minute of open was not crazy. We're now going crazy. Yeah, Prashant, that was weird. I saw this morning and I was like, this doesn't look like how the Asia charts normally look. It was very interesting. Livy demo account, isn't it? Eval account. So yeah. Then by end of week we'll hit all-time highs. Okay, Jazzy. Okay, Jazzy Jeff. Let's see. Geordie, what's up? Ooh. I did say watch. Let's see if it takes out London low and then heads for the Asia highs. Here we go. Holy moly. VIX is low to 80 now, no longer massive moves. Oh, okay. Cool. Only true trader, right? That would be a very clean setup. If it hits London lows and then hops up to Asia highs, that would be very clean. I want to say that would be very almost textbook. Abraham, yes it is. It is 3:30, well, if we're going to be specific, 3:33 p.m. for me in South Africa right now. Night Owl Vix Watchman, hell yeah. No, only true trader, yeah, we got this, we got this. Let's see though. It might mess around a little bit first. Or it's gonna tease us and it's not gonna touch it at all. I'm not taking this because it still feels a bit volatile. Just a itty bitty bit. I'm just kind of curious to see. And 3, be more selective. Okay, Jazzy, okay. London low area. Trading. Oh! Why are you paper trading, Knight? Shorted at 282. Oh. Okay, okay. So close to where my entry was. Ooh, cool, 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 cool. Okay. Let's see, Knight. Very slightly bullish on ES. Oh, I should maybe focus there. Hey, apple butter. Ooh. Slightly. It's about to take out there. Took out a little bit of liquidity on ES. Means it might go back down now. Apple butter, you're not sure you trusted. Why? Nick? Oop, why? What happened? Pretty made trades today, locked myself out of top step. Oh, cool. Okay, nice. That's fair. Fair. Jazzy Jeff, thank you very much. Jazzy Jeff. Sorry, I'll ask you later. Never mind. Apple butter, volume's kind of low. Hi, Big Bull. Welcome back. How are you doing? Damn, I really would have liked to have seen London lows being taken. Maybe a bounce off VWAP? Ah, okay. So, Jazzy Jeff, so you said keep stop loss wide, right? Some argue that mine is already wide. So, you think it needs to be wider? Explain for me, please. 2, don't move to break even too quick. So, I hear you. I do hear you. So, I'm trying something out with take partials, move to break even. But then I'll most likely do take partials, but don't move to break even at all. I'm gonna have a look at that. And then 3rd, be more selective. I hear you. The only problem is whenever I start to think that, I almost get analysis paralysis, for lack of a better word, and then I start overthinking everything. So I've been trying to kind of actually just take the trade, stop overthinking so much, if that makes sense. So I'm not disagreeing, I'm just telling you why, if that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. So I'm not wanting to be rude or anything like that. Hey, some guy, what up? Tesla Trader? Hi. Some guy, happy Tuesday in video. Whoa! Some guy, that's amazing. You did? What did you get in on? By the way, that deserves a whoop whoop. Just saying. Whoop whoop indeed. Well done. Yeah, Knight, that's why I'm like, See, I'm learning. I'm learning. Wait for the volatility to calm down. Wait for proper structure to form. And then start looking for trades. Don't just hop in. I've learned my lesson. Multiple times. We are the change. Heyo, how are you? BTC Long shared it on the Discord. Ooh, thank you. I'll go have a look. Sorry, I know I don't actually check out Discord during the day. I try to look at it at night and in the morning, which doesn't help. Just normally at the horses during the day. Speaking of, I must actually upload a video. You can see my freaking mud pie of a horse. That's me being polite, but mud pie. DK, what up? I can't complain. How are you doing, DK? Hit 5R, took 75%. Oh. Damn, some guy, that is amazing. Whoop whoop, indeed. Sure, so are you done trading for the day, or what's the plan for you? Yeah, what's the plan for you? Prashant, you can pop me an email. It's the wrong link that pops up. Sorry, on YouTube it's the wrong link. Jazzy Jeff, you think one stop loss should be wider, ideally to swing high or low, as you can be worked out, okay? Move quick to break even, can also wake you could be more sensible to trail the stop loss, win at 1-to-1. Valid, Jazzy, valid. So I'm calling you Jazzy now, not Jeff. but Jazzy, I like it. Watch and T-Fuel this week. No time to stroll. Why? What do you think's gonna happen? Dag nab it. Check out this, Knight. Looks like maybe this would have been a goodie. Apple butter, no, you gotta be positive. Say this is gonna be amazing. Amazing. Apple butter, for London, is it like the middle of the night for you? Blue Patriot Precious Metals, that's not English. Oh, good. Here we go, guys. Sorry. Yes, they are good asset. I've been wanting to have a look at gold. Okay. Very, very close to stop loss, but this would have been a win. And London low has now been taken. Oh, damn. Okay. We're just gonna keep going down. What's the matter? Okay. When I was not trading to avoid being worked out, etc. Yeah, Jazzy Jeff, yeah, I understand. I do get it, and yeah, 3 years, wow, I got a lot of catching up to do. Right, it's news all day this week. Yay. Yay. I think you're doing good. Confluence back testing market structure and then Gantle. So you get more time on screen. Thanks, Tony. That's very, very sweet. Ah. Damn. Yeah, because literally Apple, London's been pretty good recently. I mean, this was a little bit better. Now it's wicked out, taken out London low. Let's see, I'm kind of just keeping that up. I could have taken this trade. I feel like it would have been a bit of a gamble. I wouldn't have called that an A plus anything, so was not worth it. I guess Jazzy Jeff, but I don't know, should you really find trading boring? Is boring the right word to be using? I feel like I missed something between Geordie and Only True Trade over there, but it's fine. Knight next target is 216. Someone mentioned this target this morning. 11.50 or 211. Bob. Yes, it did. It cracked like an egg, indeed. So, Knight, you don't think there's going to be a shift up now? Dag nab it. Is it dag nab it? I probably wouldn't have taken it because it just swept London low. So if there was going to be a shift, probably would have happened around here. Hey Thomas, how are you? Good morning. Good morning. Tony, how you think it's exciting? Thanks. Don't be so hard on yourself. Also, journal reflect every weekend on lower time frames can also be daunting. Don't get zoomed in on the one. Jazzy, that's valid. That's valid. I must really remember that. Sometimes I do get overly focused on the 1 minute and I forget to zoom out. It's something I need to start working on. But I really, really appreciate it. Thank you. See, I love these words of wisdom. Wow, I don't know what I just said, but that was not English. Must be. I guess, Jazzy, that does make sense. It does make sense. I think there's a kid screaming. Devanshi, hi. How are you? How's it going? Here we go. Here we go. There might be a shift coming soon. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Oh, Thomas, okay, you're about to hop onto your computer. Nice, nice, nice. I have to see if there's going to be a shift. Price moved much lower and held the lows one more time. 1, 2. Knight, that's valid. Could it not just be a fake out to trick people into thinking it might continue lower before it shifts back up? Yeah, it's a bit hard to say, isn't it? No, Jazzy Jeff, I really, really appreciate it. I cannot stress enough how much I appreciate it. Knight, that makes sense. But again, could it possibly? I mean, anything's possible, I guess. No one can say for sure. No, I can't, Jazzy Jeff. I can't imagine. I can imagine. And Jazzy Jeff, do you do trading full time now, out of curiosity? Charles, do you think I need to draw more lines? Explain, please. Like more liquidity lines and more like pointing out the order blocks and. Is that what you're thinking, Charles? No, we are the change. That's fine. You do you. It's going to help someone, right? It's not going to help me. It's going to help someone out there. Someone trading gold, like maybe Laura. I don't know if Laura's still here. Is he? Sorry, I just saw what some guy said and then I saw what Tony said. I didn't know that. Cool. The range that you're using for train, that high gets taken and candle close above that, then we have a shift. Yeah. Noted. Let's see if it hits this 211 area. Hi Daisy. When do we confirm NASDAQ buys? When there is a proper shift. When it actually takes out the previous, what's we call it? Lower high? No, higher low. Lower high. There we go. Sorry, I sometimes mix those two up. Oh, there we go, Laura. Hello. We Are the Change was mentioning something with regards to gold, and I thought maybe you'd be interested in seeing it. Okay, Charles, but lines way I could. Charles, no, there's a few people that trade full time. You do it full time. You quit your job 3 years ago. Damn, you work for Google. Okay. Damn, that's crazy, Jazzy. Okay. I think, like I said, I think recently the thing, oh, see, I can't even speak English. The thing I have been struggling with is the mental part of it. I think this, like, I like this trade. I do like it. Can it be improved? Yes, it can be improved. But for right now, I like it. I just mentally need to sort my stuff out. Alright, took 90% position off and they're holding one runner for yesterday's opening range. Ooh, okay, nice. Okay. There we go. So this would have been a win. Like I said, I would not have taken it though because it took out London low. A little bit risky. Not worth it. Let's see if we do indeed now get a shift. Damn, okay. ES now looks like it's going bearish. Maximilian Gaming, hi. Hi from Serbia, that's so cool. Welcome. Hello from South Africa. Hey Leon, how you doing? It's not about having a big swing trade and celebrating, it's making the equity curve a step ladder constantly every month and tracking your... Yeah, Jazzy Jeff, you're spitting facts today. Which take the gears in my opinion. Yeah, 100%. 100%. And I always used to, you know, do that about the mental side of trading. My gosh, is it hectic. Hectic. Just to zoom out. When in doubt, zoom out. Yep. Slow, consistent gains, some small wins, some small losses, occasionally big wins. Some guy, that's literally it. Can I just say how cute this is? Sorry, that's my ADHD coming into play. That looked like support for years, but let's see if it retests it. Okay, apple butter. I now sits and I waits for confirmation of any freaking kind. Do I speak Afrikaans? I can, not very well. I understand Afrikaans. I can speak Afrikaans. Well, yeah. Again, not very well though. Evidence, Maleka. Hello, welcome. I'm trading the NASDAQ futures. Diamante. Oh no. Oh no, what happened? Out of NQ and ES, you would go long on ES because ES seems relatively strong. Ooh, let's see. Okay, we've hit a bit of a zone right here. Oh, this is fair value gap. Nah, never mind. It's respecting the fair value gap in the order block quite nicely. Let's see if it breaks out of this. Someone mentioned that there's news. Is there news today, guys? What time is the news? A displacement candle over 772 would trigger a long. Yeah. Nice. See, I think anything that breaks out of here, we're gonna go for a long. And Diamante, you think this is a fake out? Really? Why? Hell yeah, Jigglypuff. Jigglypuff for the win. Jigglypuff just wants people to listen to their music, and everyone keeps falling asleep, and I think that's rude. Anyways, don't mind the little nerd out session right there. Refine the model if needed, but don't change it often. Stick and track, biggest lesson is knowing when not to trade. Yeah. Again, that's the mental part. I mean, I didn't trade here, which, I mean, it would have been a win, but it was for a valid reason that I did not trade this. So, let's see. Whoa, gold's dropping. Ooh. If gold is dropping, let's see what NQ does. Sometimes, again, not always, but sometimes when gold drops, NQ rises and vice versa. Let's see. Jordy, where do you want it to get to? And why do you want to get to that point? Out of curiosity. Nino M. No, I did have a break in between. Don't worry. I tend to hop off and I have, what, like 3 hours in between where I just don't have screen time. I go and I work the horses and then I come back and here we are for the New York session. Almost went long. Watched the MSS candle close and it didn't form and it dropped crazy. Sorry, but at least you're sticking with A+ setups, right? You're not just hopping into anything. That's really good. Well done. Just bubble we are in, yeah. Gonna see if ES bounces again. Oh, nice. Oh, thanks, Jazzy Jeff. That was amazing. Thank you for that. That really was amazing. I appreciate it so much. Jordy? Rude. 25200. Okay. Below that is discount of previous day. And a huge. Got it. The next 4 hour gap could be the next nice area to go long. That's what you're looking at now. Okay, hey man, it's hard to do all these traders, and I feel like I have a trading power, how to navigate and use all the tools. Oh, okay. Michael, what are you in particular struggling with? Maybe I can help, even if I just show you very quickly here, very quickly while I wait for potential confirmation. Again, is this a fake out? Doesn't inverse fair value gap created. Ooh, so maybe I just don't like that push at all. Is this a stop overthinking it situation? I feel like this might be a stop overthinking it situation. Respecting the hell out of that. Yeah, I'm gonna go for 3. Thank you, LP. Thank you. Nope, you're right. You're right. It's okay to lose. Just take it. The analysis paralysis. Just freaking take it. Stop overthinking. Let's see if it gets me in now. Or not. I'm hoping it does. I mean, inverse fair value gaps there. I know on a higher time frame it's probably not, but... squeeze me? It does. I'm probably long... Yes, in this instant. Okay. Let's see. Oh, shoot. Oh, okay. Wait. Too slow. Too slow! Damn. Well, I was a tad bit slow to take a partial there. I could still take a partial. Let me just take a partial lower down. No, just leave it. I'm just gonna leave it. It is what it is. I'll go break even. I was sleeping. I was sleeping on that a little bit. Should have taken a partial here. Should have. Oh well. Come on, a little jump down. Why am I getting excited? I'm not in this. It didn't tag me in. That was frustrating. I don't know why I got so excited there. I was like, I'm in this. Nope. No, I'm not. It missed me. I don't know how it missed me. Damn freaking spread. I want to try and short on the ES, but it's pretty choppy. It might pop back up one last time. Come on. Check what ES, but it's in that gap where I don't have any of the things. I need to go find that image that Thomas sent earlier. Ah, no, Jordy, Thomas was here. Where'd Thomas go? Thomas was here just now. Thomas is here. I'm confused. That was a bunch of bull. Anyways. Yeah, some guy, that was... It is what it is. It is what it is. Sorry. Can you see? Don't get so emotional. Just calm down. Still gonna be a grumpy bee about it, but whatever. However, it did the move that I wanted it to do. It's hit that supply zone. It's probably gonna bounce up, but it has not filled. Is it gonna bounce one last time? Is it gonna bounce one last time? If it hits where TP is, I'm gonna leave it. Hey! Helium, what up? Yes, I am South African. So I'm currently using Top 1 Futures, but literally if you check out all the links below, I'm affiliated with all of them and all of them are South African friendly. So yeah, if you want to hop on one of those, you can use my link or my code. Sorry, my link. Oh, I guess the link below and you can use my code. This feels now risky. It hit the zone. Someone mentioned the zone earlier today. This 21150. That was a bummer. Wait, I need to cancel that. Might put me into a buy. I don't want to be in a buy. You are welcome. Yeah, so all of these prop firms work with South Africans, which is amazing. Is this gonna pop back in one last time before going down? Am I being blonde? Let's have a look at the higher time frames. No, Tony, they're everywhere friendly. It's just a lot of places are not South African friendly. Why does my whole trade look different on the 2-minute? Because I'm a chop. That's why. I'm an actual chop. Anyways, that's better. This looks really good. It just hasn't gone up there yet. Okay, it doesn't look great on the 5-minute. Just tapped into that tiny bit of an order block. There. Okay. Oh no, this is now going up. Okay. I mean, I would have had partials and at least been at break even if it had tagged me in there. I can't believe it didn't tag me in there. Sugar honey iced tea. Oh well, it is what it is. 1 minute. Is it Sheila or Sheila? This is the Nasdaq futures, not VIX, sorry. Hey Rambo, what up? How you doing? Knight, you entered short here again. The same spot. Waiting to see if it respects this. It looks like it wants to respect it. Maybe I'm being blonde for not taking it. Nah, this is not respecting it. Mr. Opinion, what up? Can I say ooh-woo? I'm not doing ooh-woo. I'm not an ooh-woo girl. Fake boss, what up? Entry 240. Stop at 253. Oh, that's a tight stop. Why there? Yeah, Tony, I'm on the 1 minute. I could be cheeky. No. Don't be cheeky. I was about to say I could be cheeky and just have a stop or place a sell stop here. Maybe I should have been cheeky. Damn. Okay. 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 Some guy, if it's not my strategy, no, you're right, thank you. Thank you for calling me out. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I sometimes need it. Do you see the brain starts to go? Chic M, trading is the same as gambling. Debatable. At least once a scope text up, target one load. Opening radius. Cool. Nanomix, how are you? Good afternoon to you. How are you doing? How are you doing? Mr. Opinion? Again, guys, if I missed anyone's messages, I apologize. Yeah. Even if you get a win from it, then reinforce bad behavior and you eventually get burned. I mean, if you're gonna come at me with logic, I can't argue with you, can I, some guy? Honestly. No, you're right. You're right. You're right. No, I'm good. I'm good. I can't complain. Cannot complain. I didn't like how it then looked for a long... I guess... Yeah. Because I cancelled it. Because I cancelled it. Naturally. Naturally. Trading is like roulette, except you block out 90% of the holes the ball can go into. And you don't have to place your bet until the ball is literally about to land in the hole. Yeah. Rainbow NQ weak. YM strong. Boom banana, it's gonna go. Up or down though? You can't just say it's gonna go. Which direction? We're going to the moon, we're going to the center of the earth. Shigem, are you a trader? That was all untapped. That's why we have reason for being bullish. All-time high area. So slowly we're no longer strong bullish. Ooh, interesting. Yeah, apple butter. Literally, ask Boom. Boom banana, what's going? Where's it going? Who's going? Why is going? No, I'm joking. We are the change higher, 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 low. It low-key just looks a tad bit rangy right now. Yeah, apple butter. That's exactly. I was just about to say this kind of looks choppy. Interesting. Anyways, sorry. Damn, Sheik, what happened? Bullish bar, 3 bars to hold. Okay. Okay, we are the change. Let's see. Are you sure, Boom? Are you sure? Because I have a message right here. Right there. I can read it. It says it's gonna go. Huh. Weird. It's almost like Boom was wrong. I'm sorry. I'm being mean. Marzia, what's up? How you doing? No, that's valid. This is the kind of day I used to get chopped up in a apple butter. But see, we're learning patience together, right? We got this. We got this. We got this. But you were wrong. You said it's gonna go. It didn't go. Where's it going? Oh, 1 minute, Sheila. Yeah, sorry. This is the Nasdaq futures, the micros to be specific. So it's MNQ is the symbol. I'm currently using top 1 futures. Yeah. If you're keen on maybe trying top 1 futures, you can use my code. You know, get a discount, which is awesome. Just teach Maya. Where are you going? Oh, big stretch. You gotta respect the big stretches. And down. Okay. Laura, no, it sounds like gold's going down. I could be wrong, guys. What's happening? Is gold going up or down? Laura's asking. The boss of pirates, am I profitable? No, not yet. Nah. Still learning. Still figuring things out. Only been trading since April. So getting there slowly but surely. Who is it that called this level this morning? Someone called 21150. It essentially just tapped into it and is now having a shift. Why that level? What happened at that level? Does anyone know what happened at that level? As you can see, I specifically marked it out, but you see it's not attached to anything because someone mentioned this level and I said I'm going to mark it out. Hesitated on an ES long. Oh, only true trader. No, I'm so sorry. And was what website is this? Oh, so on top one future. Sorry, this is Project X. But if you get, if you get an account or a challenge with top one futures, you get access to Project X. And this is what I'm using. If you guys want to start using it, the link is in the description or in any of my videos. It's in the description and you can go check it out. I'm in Discord. I post a lot of educational stuff. My teachers that are still going live daily. Ooh, thank you. Thank you. We are the change. You're amazing. The more years you stay in the market, the more you hate. Why? The boss pirate? What happened? What's happening? Sorry, I feel like I've missed a bunch of messages. Again, I apologize if I have. Sorry. ES was an A+, don't know why I didn't push the button. Are you having a little bit of an analysis paralysis, only true trader? Is that what's potentially happening? I get it, but asking out of curiosity. Game previous top. You gotta follow the process of strategy with good risk management. Some guy, yep. I think it's because I'm on a fresh account. Weird. Oh, only true trader. That's interesting. High in place, high low, still valid construction. Okay. Hey, Abbas, welcome. How are you? Rambo NQ should be moving higher now. Yes. Let's go, guys. Nice, as I read that. Cool. Okay. Let me see something. Dag nab it. Information. What was it? I was having this discussion with someone earlier. Was essentially wait for that, then wait for the second entry. I can't for the life of me remember I copied it. I'm gonna have to back test it. Okay. It's taken a bunch of liquidity. This could be going lower than I'd hoped it to go. The better range would be here. Would be the safer range, if you will. Abbas, what up? Online work, please share. Why? What? Marzia, I'm sorry. I get it. I get it. One for finally hit after 60,000 years of consolidation. I'm so sorry, BT. At least it hit. Well done. Oh, yeah, the boss of pirates. Yeah, that's happened plenty of times with me. This is just running away now, isn't it? It's about to take. This. Sorry, I'm gonna be quiet for a second. I'm just checking something. Ah, look, it's about to take out the high. One, two. Oh, look at that. We're running away. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're running away properly. Told you before, 10-17 candle. Yeah, yeah. My entry if the downgoing flowing line rejects. You really think so, Weather Change? You really think this will go this far down? You're quite so sure we'll cover the gap, so down. Oh, Marzia, you think this is gonna go back down? Really? Marzia, oh, on the high time frames, got it. And long on ES. Oh, okay, nice. High time frame gives more peace and better clarification, 100%. Yeah, I'm not arguing with you. I know that for a fact. It definitely does. I'm just wanting to do something. How am I good at this? I've been waiting for this damn shift. I'm just not taken out. Imminent. Don't hate this. I like it a little bit less on the 5 minute. 5 minute entry in this zone is actually better. There's a little bit of an inverted fair value gap. Or maybe you're looking at the smaller range. Feels a little bit I could get wicked out of this one though. Okie dokie. Analysis paralysis. Da, 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 da. 3. That won't hurt. Even failed. YouTube treasure, what up? I'm not a fan of that though. What the actual heck? Have I just done that again? Sorry, I'm contemplating my life. Nobody's closure above 1%, a weak sign. A weak sign for what, Rambo? Sorry, I just read what you said. Fair value, we need body's closure above that. The 931 fair value. High, low, and taking negative. Oh, Tube, I'm not in this. I'm not in it. I wanted to get in on it. I didn't take it. Holy moly. Holy guacamole. My other entry was here. Stop being so scared, honestly. 2 contracts, not gonna do anything. Screw it. There we go. Oh, Marley, you think it's gonna go down? 25 contract, we see the price to continue. Wait, then. Especially because it's now below VWAP. But 2 is too little. Okay, fine. I can make it a stop. Holy cow. Boom, I think you mean thank heavens you didn't get in. What was that? Cool. We're all just like, yeah. So, ooh, damn. Holy guacamole. Let's see what news is popping. No, honestly, what even was that? But yeah, Rambo, you did nicely called. Thank you, thank you. You just saved me some red. And we now wait for candle structure. I think we just stopped for today. Will that drop happen? Okay. So from the low, before that drop happened, you could draw a curve up. Rising, always need to be cautious as this is equity that is begging to be taken now. Experience will pull back upwards. Okay. So half of you thinking it's gonna pop back up and half of you thinking it's about to just keep going down. Yeah, this was absolute insanity. Let me wait for confirmation. Let me just confirm that it's not going to be so freaking volatile before I maybe pop into another one. What the hey diddly day was that? Okay guys, so do the opposite of what I want to do today. Yeah. Marzia, actually, Marzia, well called. You were also saying that this is gonna go short, so well done, Marzia. Did you get in on this, by the way? If we have bodies close above the 931. 931, I've been... Sorry. Oh, interesting. You still looking at this one, Rambo? A lot of wicks towards downside makes it a good candidate for potential sell. See, I've heard the opposite a few times, that a lot of wicks pushing down means potentially good for buys, so yeah. Hey, Clippy! The goals don't wait for candle time confirmation. It could run. Okay, let's have a look. Jordy, yeah. You're just like, it's enough now, thanks. Okay, bye. Stop. Okay, took out a bucket load of... It's a tad bit large. What's it looking like on ES? Oh! Oh. $20, $50. Yeah. Regain or get wrecked. Buy in the red, sell the green. First percent of value gap. First percentage fair value gap of regular trading hours. Okay. I kind of thought it was already taken out though. Rambo? Sorry, that's why I didn't even bother looking at it. I kind of thought it was already, you know, done. Oh, you're gonna try a one contract sell, Marzia? On this range? Oh. This looks like a goodie, but everything's being a little bit all over the place. But we're doing it. Stop being a baby, right? Just stop being a baby. 25243. Oh, okay. So very close to mine. Maybe I should make... Nope, just leave it alone. Let's see, Marzia. We're in this together. We're in this together. Let's see. So they're referred back always. Once traded doesn't mean they will not be used again. Bram, I'm going to start taking note of that. Thank you. Thank you for that. Not day trading on the chart. Wait for it. Alexa, how to be trading? Maybe don't look at this that hard, but yeah. Previous day low is your draw now. I said it, I believe it, I want it, let's go. Jordy, you got this. You got this, I believe in you. It's gonna be great. Polly? Cool. Knight, are you serious? You lie. 28 billion to creators. That's That's absolute insanity. ICT, what? Sorry, I didn't see what you said. What did you say? 1 minute. Sheila, what time is it? For me? Right now it's 4:30 p.m. South Africa time. Which makes it 10:30 EST time, right? 10:30 a.m. One teeny tiny micro just to kill the craving. 40. Now I can also use previous day's first presented fair value gap. That is Monday 20th. Okay. Really? Really, Rambo? What? Okay, I'll go have a look. Are you looking on the 1 minute or what time frame do you normally look at? Right? Yes, Loki looks like it wants to go up. But you know what? If it takes me out, it takes me out. The point is... Tops. Okay, let's see. Right, Marzio? Marzio, either this is a win or it's not. And point is, I took the trade. And it's a goodie. I got VWAP, I've got a fair value gap, I've got an order block. This is actually theoretically an A+ setup for me, so let's see if it respects it or not. Come on. When it does, I'll put my partial here, probably, let's say 2 contracts. Let's make it 2 contracts. If it gets me. Marzia, are you in? Come on. Yeah, okay. Number 5. No. Nope. Yep. Number 2. No, you're right, LP. I need to. Need to stop overthinking it. Here's a good place for partial. If it's a loss, it is what it is. Point is, just stop overthinking it so much. LP, damn. That sent me. Oh gosh. I've missed out on a lot of messages. I apologize about that. I'm actually just really focusing on the charts today. I need to be better. No, need sounds bad. It is what it is, whatever happens regardless, but I'm really trying to focus harder on this. Let's tap into that inverse fair value gap on a higher time frame. Come on, respect it. Let's do this. $50-point bounce from the 50% level of yesterday's gap. Easy money. Noise, Solly. Whoop whoop. That is amazing. Well done. 1 minute Sheila. Bobby. Oh, no. Oh well. Let's see. Have a little bit of respect for this. Let's do this. Come on. It's low-key doing seek and destroy right now. But it's hands off. Tony, it's similar. Sometimes, yes, it does. Osvaldo, yeah. It does. Not 100%. Nothing is 100% when it comes to trading, but it tends to react off of gaps. Look at how 1032 low respected previous first. Okay, presented before it happened. Rambo, I will as soon as I'm out of this, win or lose. Okay, Marzia, let's see. Oh, nice night. You still didn't take low. Yeah. Don't for the day managed to enter a trade on NQ, the one I hesitated on at ES and took a partial, but the drop took me out. Yeah, but only 2 trader. You had partials and you had a little bit of profit, so that's winning. Well done. Whoop whoop. All paper. Oh, but that night, that's fine though. You're still getting everything you need to get out of it. Osvaldo, ignored candles. Ignored candles? What do you mean by ignored candles? Do you mean the gap? You mean the fair value gap? Is that what you mean by ignored? Yeah, 100%. Break even is not a loss, so not a loss means it's a win, so it's good. Hey Dane, what up? So I did have a gap in between. Sorry, I can imagine that must be wild for some people. They see me and then all of a sudden they see me again. They're like, wow, I've been trading the whole day at new. I do have a gap in between. Should go in between the supply and same price higher. Right. High low now, still good. Bring a tutorial video on candlestick patterns. I do kind of have market structure. More interested in the 1021 high on NQ. It's gonna take me out. Oh, only shoe trader. Oh no, I'm sorry. But I mean, point is you took it, right? It's a good sauce I could do barbecue and it's fine. Like LP said, I gotta just start taking the trades. Win or lose, just start taking them. And like I said, this was actually a really good setup for me, so I can't be upset about it. I had my confluences. I had actually, how many? 1, 2, 3. I had 4 confluences in this trade. This is an A+ setup for me. If it doesn't work, then I'm not upset about it because I took it and it was A+. I'm good. Tommy, hello from Sweden. That's so cool. Hello, hello from South Africa. And, well, all across the world on the chat. How's it going? 1030 and 1038 and 37 are potential bullish order blocks. Yeah. NV, good afternoon. How are you doing? That is why the way is order flow. Interesting. LP is asking which props allow martingale strategies. LP, I don't actually even know what a martingale strategy is. What is that? Top 2 to 3% only depend on like 50 million a year. Whoa. Whoa, what the heck? 50 mil a year? Thank you, Jordy. Thank you, Jordy. Thank you. Yeah. I just have to keep repeating it. It's more for me than for you guys, but it helps my brain. Took it, not upset about it because of the fact that it was an A+ setup. If it didn't work, it is what it is. Oh, thanks, LP. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, cool. So it wasn't just me, some guy. I'm glad. Huh. There must be some that allow it, though. Right? Who keeps doing that? Someone... I think they're on a... I don't think they're on a prop, though. I think they're on a live account, so that makes sense. Ignored candles is when you see a single opposite candle in the middle of a strong bullish or bearish movement. Sometimes market also reacts there. Oh, Osvaldo. Okay. So same thing, just different name. Call it a order block. Sorry. Ooh, okay. Okay, got it, Mazia. Got it, got it, got it, got it, got it. So you're still good. I'm on the edge. That's a risky game, some guy. Very funny. Oh gosh. Hey, Raphael, how's it going? Oh, of course I remember you, Raphael. I'm glad Jamaica's going great though. Buddy, calm down. Damn. One minute, Sheila. So you only do live accounts? You invoice most rapidly or make pennies on the dollar, so maintenance and money management comes first. Okay, Europe Ltd. A tube treasure. I think I missed a previous message of yours. Oh, Ulinox allows, and another one allows once per trade. Ooh, thanks, LP. There we go. Yeah, Knight, that... Like, it makes me feel upset. I don't know how else to explain it. It kind of makes me be like, seriously? Seriously? ACZ trading? A little bit. Just a tad bit. 1 minute, Sheila got a risk it for that biscuit. That's valid, that's valid. Zane, no, I didn't. Oh, sorry, Zane, you saw me this morning, which I guess was your yesterday, and I said I was potentially going to look at gold. I'll potentially look at gold tomorrow. Yeah. My sell is a bit higher than mine, aiming for the same TP. Okay, Envy. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Hey, Jordy, we got this, bud. We got this. Jordy, Mazia, Envy. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. Okay, let's see what happens. LP, because I haven't found the right one. Gosh. Oh, LP, you funny, hey? Okay. Just came in from your morning walk. Glad to see you doing great, and thanks for the shout out. Hell yeah, Raphael. Always. What? Nice? Sorry, I'm getting like a schooled right here in the insanity that is AI and the money being spent on fake creations. That is absolutely wild and makes me a little bit upset, but it's fine. Send you 400 bucks, you're trying to see something. I don't have 400 bucks just roaming around my yard, sorry. 400 bucks sounds like a lot to maintain. That's a lot of feed. Yeah, let's see, Dory. Let's see, Dory. Let's see, Dory. I'll give it a try. So what a high percentage of accuracy. 1 minute, Sheila. I was having this discussion with... Who was I having this discussion with this morning? Rage. I was having this discussion with Rage Winnick today. Because his argument was essentially that on a live account, because it's your actual money, you trade smarter. I don't think that's proper English, but you get the idea, right? You trade smarter because it's your own money, so your risk management theoretically is better, and you are better at managing your trades. Yeah, I said this could be debated. This could be debated. Zane, you think this is high skill? No, this is simple as hell. Oh gosh, Osvaldo, if you have... Last question, would I recommend someone to get into trading? If you're willing to put the time, energy, and effort into it, sure. And I think most important thing, if you have money that you are comfortable with losing, yeah, sure. Then yes, you can. Ah, damn it! And I'm out. Oh well. Point is, I took it. It's fine. Damn, Wardy. Well, to be fair, Wardy, I'm gonna potentially have a look at gold tomorrow. So let's see. Yeah, sorry. So I did say to Rage, I was like, there could be a legitimate argument with regards to that. No. Oh well. Yeah, hit stop loss. It's fine. Like I said. Am I? Did I swear? Did I swear, not realize it? No, didn't I just say damn it? Damn it's not a swear word, is it? If it is, might be. Let me make a note here. Little snoot. That I'm not upset about this one. And I kept my cool. I'm low-key proud of this trade. I know it was a loss. But there was a lot that was good. Number one, I took it. Number two, I put the correct amount of contracts in. Number three, it was an A+ setup. It just didn't work out. It is what it is. Number four, it had 4 confluences. That's why it made up an A+ setup. It is what it is. Rambo 1030 inversion should send price higher. Cool. And then Sheila. That's interesting. I need you to explain that one, Basavaling, please. It did, Marzian, that's fine. Take a trade now, sell now. That. For me. Put. Entry. No, I'm gonna stop that there. Key point. Let me make one last one. Key point. Kept motions under control. Cool. Yeah. Like I said, I know it was a loss and that I'm in the red for the day. It is what it is, but I'm not upset about it. Oh no, envy, no. Sorry. Exactly. Envy, you're still holding? Cool. Wardy, what hours do I trade and what countries? Yes, I'm in South Africa. Can I just use South Africa time? Is that fine? So I trade from 9 AM to 11 AM and then again from 3:30 PM till around 5:30 PM. So if we're looking EST time, it would be 9:30 AM until 11:30 AM EST time. Yeah, that's like 4 hours on the chart a day around. Am I a scalper? Yes, I am. Oh, Raphael, you got that sweet sell before. Nice. You lucky fish. Oh, damn, Osvaldo. That's cool. How are you finding it? Sell now for a sniper entry. Silma? Told you 10, 20 high, so 420. 21. There. That one. Yeah? So Rambo, you said this high. I'm gonna make a little dash. I'm putting Rambo here. I start to remember who said what and when. Okay, so Rambo, let me quickly see this. Fair value gap. Here. So you mentioned this earlier. Okay, I see that there. Respected it. Yeah, bounced off of it. Got it, got it, got it. Sorry, Rambo, can you see I'm locked into what you were saying. Trading. See the trade I'm in on Discord night. I'm gonna check it out quick. Let me check out Discord. Night, where did you pop it? Ah, there we go. Never mind. I see you sent it now. Cool. Damn, Night. I know this is only paper trading though, right? Nasdaq on the ES. Holy 6812. I'm gonna make a note of that. Let's see if it hits 6812. Here we go. This is still just paper trading, right, Knight? Hey, Sean, what's up? And George, how are you? I've missed a bunch. What did I miss? What did I miss? What did I miss? Geordie, the 1040 candle wasn't in the correct range. Use for the flip strand. Yeah. Yeah. 100% Geordie. If it was this, would be sitting pretty right now. Hey, check out that. What did I literally say earlier before I placed this trade? I said, whatever I do the opposite, because it's doing the opposite of every trade I wanted to. Maybe I should take my own advice sometimes. You know, I think it might be a sell. Clearly it's opposite day today, so just pop it in a buy. Closure above today's first presented that as a bullish sign. Interesting. I missed something on the 5-minute link. Exposing. Wait, I missed something. Some guy, you're not wrong. The 1 minute is a little bit risque. I have tested it. It does work on other time frames. It does. So I could. Okay. It does the opposite. We should take that as a strategy. Do you know what's funny though? The second I do that, and I'm like, oh, I must just do the opposite of what I think it's gonna do what I thought it was gonna do. That's how it always works. So you said 9:35 in your previous first presented. was respected low, which is the swing low now. Before it happened, it's in the chat. No, I know you did, Rambo. You did. I was just focusing. What's the matter? I was just focusing. Quick. Oh, no. Only true trader. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Let me make a note here. Bassa, do a suggestion from your sign. Yeah, Bassa, no, that's fair. Patience really is key. I do know that. I'm working on it. Osvaldo, yes, I live in Africa. Again, guys, if I've missed any messages, I do apologize. Zara, are you just living your best life right now? You sound like you're just living your bestest life, having your bestest time. You just said this move down was all part of manipulation though, and we're going towards all-time highs after that. You did call it, you did. Tuesday, where I am Tuesday, 1 AM New York as target now, which is a bearish fair value gap on the hourly. Wait. Rambo, you think it's gonna go down now? For some guys, I mean, true. I should. Like here it hit the 50% gap. So in general, I do put negative things. Like I said, I'm trying to just put positive things because, like I said, this one wasn't terrible. I mean, there was this this fair value gap on a higher time frame going against me. But I thought potentially this inverse fair value gap would have been enough for it. You know, it is what it is. Just wanted to see how price refers back to previous first presented imbalances. Just go mark previous 935. First presented lookout 1035 low. Respected that. Okay. Yeah. Dustin, what up? What you wanting, Dustin? How's Africa? I love Africa. Africa's awesome. On that short, for example, the 1 minute structure had flipped bullish just below. So down here, but I was already in the trade there. Some guy. So you're saying when I saw it had flipped, I should have just gotten out? What does it matter? Okay, right. But Rambo, sorry, actually, Rambo. You wanted me to mark out previous day. I don't have it because of DWS yesterday. Sorry, that's also been a bit of a meh. No. Some guy, no. Some guy, you are correct. You are correct. Like I said, I'm trying not to be a negative Nancy because then I stop taking trades. I could have potentially missed this. Let's see. Hit there. Shoot. Except this is Mahusive. Is this? How big is this? Oh, it's not much bigger. No? Give up. Again, this looks good to me. Envy, yep. Envy, I'm trying. 4:30 mark on the shot. I'll have a look. I'll have a look now. Big down could mean it's searching for something. It did just take out highs, but this is a very big drop down. Okay. Yep, thank you, LP. Thank you, LP. Thank you, LP. With the correct amount of contracts, it would be 4. Not a limit buy there. Thank you, LP. Oh, okay. Well, I'm in this. Make it. Limit sell 2. Okay, so I got partials going as well. LP, anyways. IGCIY. Can't just say losing trade, you have to explain why. To break mark to confirm this going bullish as follow. At least take the partial for me. My main challenge is legitimately just to get over my analysis paralysis, so I'm taking him. I know it could be a little bit risky, but let's see. Support that blue line, continue. Thank you, we are the change. Take the partial, please. Cool. There we go. Got some green. And I'm now safe. Let's see if it goes down again. If it does, it is what it is. Extend today is 9:31. It's still respecting it. Well, hopefully it's respecting it in the opposite direction. Gotta do that. If it had to break above, no, maybe not. I see it's still kind of stuck in it though. Interesting. Hey, some guy, thank you. Let's hope it continues up. Either way, I guess it's fine, right? Hey, Rolex, what up? Oh, thank you for yelling at me, LP. I appreciate it. Sometimes you need a good just take it to just get over yourself. Okay. And now it does not matter what happens. Hey, Sanyu, what's up? Respect there, but still respecting there. Okay. Either way, if it goes up or if it goes down, it is what it is. Sanyu, what's the deal with ICT? Explain, please. Trust the TMT strat. Rambo, yes. Yeah. I will. Thank you, by the way. Thank you. I do appreciate all the information. I really do. I hope you know that. The fallback was large. Could it not be a fake out? IGSI? Nasdaq seems I'm gonna cool off and now got more room to a grain like S&P did. Ooh, change, that's interesting. This gold is to go down. Yeah, well, but apparently it's been going down hectically today. Uh, 1 minute, Sheila. I will go. Well, I'll go check out gold a little bit later. Rolex, I'm glad. Only 2 traders, thanks. Oh, actually, yeah, literally to the freaking tick. Yeah, shoot, you have a point, actually. Wow. To the point. Too small time frame, minimum 5 minutes plus. IGSI? So you only go 5 minutes and up. Which is fair. Everyone has their preferences, right? Thomas, I hope you're right. Ah, oh, boom. Thank you. I appreciate you being nice to me. It's weird though, I don't know how to react. No, I'm joking. Thank you. You're awesome. You are all awesome. I appreciate it. Either way, it's a winning trade. I took partials and it's at break even now, so regardless of what happens, it's good. I mean, a little bit of a falter right there, but still. I hear you, but I don't know. For me, I prefer the smaller time. Preferred. It's just quicker. So with my ADHD, literally, you can't see my hands. The whole time I'm playing with things. And so I know it could be false signals and bigger wicks, but it works with my brain. If that makes sense. The 5 minute almost gives me too much time to think. I'm hoping that makes sense and you're not just thinking I'm talking rubbish. Rambo, yeah, hectically. Boom Banana doesn't speak English, he speaks financial advice. Jordy, you're so funny, oh my gosh. We got another Boom supporter over here. Sally and Jordy are going to be running around with pom-poms that have Boom Banana put on them. Rolex, what type of movie? This could get real weird real quick. Anyways, this trade, if it hits TP... Oh, only true trader, thank you. I really appreciate that. And I'm doing hands off. See, part of me wants to be like, I must just move my stop loss higher, so even if it goes down, but I'm like, nope, leave it alone. Just leave it alone. Hear me out. Hear me out. I don't know if that's messing around too much. If I do stock market sell one contract here and then make this one as well, so even if it gets me, if it goes below, I'm still in the trade just with one contract. Is that cheeky and potentially silly? Or... But boom, do you hear what I'm saying? If I just make one contract here, leave another one further down. So it still takes more out here. Thoughts? I hear you, but what about the other, where it's just one contract up here and the second one here? Fine, well, there we go. Well, now it's in green. Let's see, I'm waiting to see if it respects it. Yeah, I'm gonna put it there. Damn! You're all yelling. How about there? Let's see there. Some guy, I low-key love that. That was amazing. Okay. I'm still in the red, but only by a little bit. That's okay. Huh. Lucas, did your stop loss hit? I'm sorry. What? Vigor, hi. How are you? Stanley. Where's your first? What's the most money you made from trading? It depends on the day. I think I've made a decent amount. I want to say the most I've made on a day is 1,600. I know for a lot of people, not a lot, but that was not my stop loss. No, because my stop loss was down. Yeah, that was break even. My trade looked like this. I then moved it to break even. So I was in the green and I took partials. So this was a win / break even. There we go. So this is what the trade looked like. Literally entered in on the freaking tick. Yeah, okay, so it would have been break even. Cool. So that's fine. So I'm doing this for the wins. And then break even because I'm taking partials. Yeah, I'm learning. Oh, nice, Magavigo. That's cool though. I think. Boom, and then I will. Is Solly still here? Solly, are you good? I don't know if Solly's still here. Okay. Note. Beautiful entry. I'm putting that because it was. I'm gonna put it right there. Right by the entry. Damn. Okie dokie. I'm glad it took my partial first. That would have been rude. Aw, thanks guys. Yeah, so it wasn't bad. So some guy, that's what I tried not to do. Try. Is the keyword there. So this is why this strategy theoretically is super simple. Super simple. Hey, Death Note. Calling me an old lady. What up, little pad one? We're the change again, exit. So we are the change. I've been dabbling with that, right? I've been dabbling with it. You can see up when my chart loads, you'll see it pop. Haha. So you can see here, same with an earlier trade today. I'm checking if where my stop loss was my entry. This one actually would have been a win, and then it would have been a 4.3 R, well, the 4R win, if you will. You can see I'm testing it out. This would have taken partial, so I guess we could say this would have been a break even. That wouldn't have hit. I was just about to say, let me see what this does. Let's see if this would have been a win if it was down here and if it looked like so. So I am kind of forward testing this to see if maybe it's something I just change. I start making it look like this instead. Now it's all of a sudden a 4R trade instead of a 2R trade. Carl Chris, yes and no. But yes. But no. But yes. I'm in a little bit of the red today. No, I'm not. Boom. Still far away from 5k. Oh, shoot. That's what I need to do. I need to make a video where you guys can start choosing what tattoo I get. I must maybe make that tomorrow. Death Note, that was... oh, that was terrible. Some guys, you never heard of them. You trade in the clouds. Woo, Rambo coming here. Damn, LP, you're out here being so saucy today. So funny. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. Let's see. Let's see if this would have worked out and would have been a 4-hour trade. Boom, is that when you joined me? Bob and them joined me. So Bob, I remember when Bob told me that I'd reached 100 subs. That was wild. Good times, good times. I was chaotic back then. I think that's why people were like, oh, let's see what happens. Only true trader? I mean, I did up it a little bit now. I should have maybe placed one extra contract, made it closer to 200. Because then I would have been in the green, hey? Oh well, it is what it is. Yeah, LP, yeah. How wild. It's been a journey already. Damn, Boom. Okay, so you weren't even here for the insanity. The insanity. No, Boom. Are you sure? Are you sure? I thought you were here earlier. Never mind then. Interesting. Okay. No, man, Boom. You were not here at 1.2k subs. You were here a lot earlier because 1k subs was the shark cage diving. Just heads up on that. I have been chatting to the diving place. There haven't been lots of sharks recently. That's why I haven't gone back. Some guys since April when I started trading. Yeah, I started this channel same time I started trading. So that it was like a journey. GT? Hi, I'm from South Africa. Yeah, Boom. You were here before the 1000 mark. I'm sure you were here, maybe not here for the 200 mark. Bob was here for the 200. Well, I mean, Bob was here for the 100. Yeah, wow, it's been a journey. Geordie, no. Geordie, when did you pop in? I can't remember when you popped in. But you were here before the 1K. Thanks, some guy. Yeah. That's very sweet. Yeah, maybe there, boom, maybe there. Geordie, see, I have been taking note of what you've been saying. This is why I have been forward testing this. It would have had 1 partial taken and 1 win, by the way. Oh, nice, GT. Okay. Lutva, hi. How you doing? Geordie, like July-ish. No. Nah, I think you were after I moved down to KZN. Because I was in Centurion. And I only moved down to the coast August. No, wait. Yeah. There we go, Geordie. Did you pop in while I was still in Centurion or only when I was down here by the coast? You want to be friends with me, Rolex? Go on then, we're all friends here. Rambo, damn! You and Boom Banana should have a contest. But for, so not playing a game, if that's what you're asking, this is the Nasdaq futures. Francisco, no, I don't, because I don't think I'm qualified to be training people just yet. I'm still learning a lot. I'm still learning quite a bit. Like maybe a beginner's course to learning the markets and getting set up. I can maybe look at doing something like that. Would that be something you would be interested in? Competition for what? For who is the real market maker and who's the real enigma? Here we go. Some guy, you guys are funny. Aloha from Hawaii. Hello from South Africa. TW, cool. Boom. I don't believe you. I don't believe you've won. Oh damn, we're just gonna chop now. How would? Okay. You know what, guys? All in all, I would call that a successful day. I just have to be more consistent with my contracts. But I took the trades. You know, let's make out the positives of today. I'm gonna pop it here. 1, I took the trades. I took trades. 2. Pressing the wrong freaking thing like an absolute chip chop. There we go. Put better amount. In the New York section. Three. Sorry, I'm trying to list more positive things. Yeah. Whilst I can be a negative Nancy sometimes, and that's when I get in my head. Nitin, hi. You're just a man who YOLOs. I feel like that's a little bit of a lie. If that is the truth, then you're just the luckiest man ever. Hey Winston, what up? Wyckoff stuff. Yeah? You thinking that's what this is? Woman in Chile, yes, I always had my 1 to 2 risk. You know, that could be in the negatives if I was better. Yeah. If I was better with the amount of contracts, I would be in the green today. I would be in the green because I only had 1 loss, 3 partials taken, and 1 break even, but I was not consistent with my freaking contracts, which is why I'm in the red today instead of the green. I should have been in the green. It's fine. Death Note. What? That's a lot of money. Damn. Are you good? Hey, Funny AI Cartoon. How's it going? Ah, thank you, thank you. Can I add this here? Enter 4. Thanks, some guy. Hey, UJ, wasn't Diwali yesterday? But happy Diwali for those that celebrated or are celebrating. I hope it was amazing for all of you. Hey, Michael, what up, what up, what up? Damn, Winston. Oh, these are starting to look good. We are the change. Did you get into this? Did you take this trade? Oh, cheers, Rolex. Enjoy. I hope it's an amazing day. The portions are too tiny for your appetite. Rambo, damn. You're a little bit scary. Anyways. Oh, Yivo, sorry. So I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. The micros to be specific. Yeah. Hey, Vince. What's up? How's it going? Huh. Jordy, I might have to start looking at this. Vince, how's it going, bud? Come on. Okay, let me take note of this. Spelled that like a chop. Would have had partials. Just leave it at that for now. The strategy does look like it could be good here. Really does. Veo, am I trading gold as well? Not yet. I'm considering maybe having a look at it tomorrow. Tristan Liv, so we're having this discussion earlier. I think the most amount I've made in one day is probably around 1.6k. Oh, wheel change, damn! 2017 blew up your latest account in 2023 after 3 years. You're free. Cool. Look at you go. Wheel the change, that's amazing. Thomas, I feel like I missed something. Thomas, what did you say? I'm sorry, I feel like I missed what Thomas said. Thomas, what did you say? I'm so sorry. I missed thing. Geordie, should we have a look back? Let's just say let's say I actually just started these today, the green ones, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. I've taken 4 trades today. 3 of the 4 had partials taken, stopped at break even. 1 was a loss. Is that correct? Yeah. Which is not bad, right? It's not, like I said, I think I'm really frustrated at myself because I should be in the green. I should be technically 2R up today because the partials are at around, 1 to 1. So I should theoretically be 2R up today. But because I put the freaking wrong amount of contracts in, I'm in the red. Not by a lot, like $71, but still, it's fine. Winston, I'm on it. Am I on it? Ah, oh, okay, Geordie beat me to it. It's fine. I just put him in a longer timeout. Local swing. But Geordie, out of curiosity, right? With this 4R trade. With the 4R trade, 4R trade, 4R trade. 1 would have been a win. This one would have been partials taken at around 2R. And break even. This one, let's see. If I had done it this side, I would have been tagged in. No, this one would have been a loss if I had my entry at my stop loss. Yeah, so not bad. Oh, thanks, LP. Yeah, guys, if you're at least having some funsies with me today, yeah, don't forget to press that like button. Let's really grow this community. I mean, it's already amazing with so many amazing people, but to find a bunch of like-minded people that have the same enjoyment for trading and for learning and for teaching would be amazing. To form an A plus we would take your TP, but a rejected bearish order block, making the BC grant, yeah. Which was the second, then push back to bearish order block. Ah, taking partials on this current bearish order block and taking the sweep of highs. Interesting. Yeah, Geordie, the partials are around like half. So with the 4R trade, I'm assuming I would take partials at around 2Rs. With my 2R trade, my partials are around the 1R. Oop, okay, let's see. But yeah, so even I said here, this definitely would have had partials. See, I even wrote it there. 50% would be around here. So I would have had partials with this one. Hey, Prince P-Boy. How you doing? Closing charts here. Nice tape reading session. No trades for me today. Maybe PM session. Nice. AM was sharp. High resistance due to previous day's characteristics. Oh, cool, Rambo. Yeah, well, I am done trading for the day. I am done. Part of me is a little bit bummed. Part of me wants to be like, can't I just get one more in to try and end in the green? But that's the wrong thinking, because imagine it's then a loss and then I'll feel like an absolute chop. So I'm gonna call it there for me today. I will. It wasn't a bad day trading. Like I said, It was better today. It was better today. I got out of my head. I just started taking them. Stopped being so scared about getting losses. You know, it is what it is. Just get over it. And was better with my contract sizes. I need to be more consistent with them now. That's the next step. More consistency. Prince P Boy, do I always come live every day? Hell yeah. Rambo, no, don't worry. I don't trade lunch. Yes. Leave runner with break even top. Yep. So we'll keep the account green as we forward test and back test. We should get a win rate. So wait. Jordy, are you saying for the new model, like entry at stop loss? Or are you saying continuing with the old model for now? But yes, that's essentially. Young boy burner, what type of trader am I? I'm a scalper. If you really no, Rambo, I won't. Yeah, don't worry, I won't. I just go probably sleep now. Trading lab. Telugu, hi, how are you? Oh, thank you, Rambo. Thank you. Got it. Damn, what the heck happened now? What's happening? Seriously, what's happening? The dancing cockroach. What am I doing? Well, I'm done trading for today. I'm forward testing. I'm trying to improve my strategy a little bit. So I'm forward testing. So I'm seeing if this would have been a win. But I'll probably go now because my back's getting sore. I'm an old lady, guys. I'm an old lady. You lost money? Oh, yeah. I'm so sorry. Notifications. My loss today, $71, which is not bad. Again, I should be in the green today. So this is what I'm saying. I should be in the green today. I need to be better with my contract size because I had technically 3 wins and 1 loss. I should be 2R up for the day, but because I was bad with my contract sizes, it is what it is. Oh, Jordy, got it. Thank you. Yeah. Don't worry, I'm gonna keep the percentage. And that's why I'm testing it out a little bit. Okay, guys, let me call it there because I'm an old lady. And I'm now hungry. It's time. I haven't eaten today. So I'm gonna call it there. If you guys did have fun with me today, I really enjoyed myself a lot. Yes, Jordy, yes, that's what we're looking at. Sorry. Okay, go on, some guy. Yeah, do it. Okay, I'm gonna call it there. You guys were amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you for calling me out when I needed it, and thank you for being supportive when I needed it. Again, you guys are the best. If you guys want to support me more, if you guys are with any of my affiliated prop firms and you want to be amazing and support, you can use my code. It's TeachMaya. All of these are South Africa friendly, by the way, those of you wondering. But I'm gonna call it there. You guys will see the props pop up now. Keep an eye. I love you guys madly. I'll be back for London and New York tomorrow, so hopefully I will see you then. Yeah? Okay. I love you guys madly. Have an amazing morning, day, evening. Bye.